Hello, my name is Fred Anaafi. Stay safe, learn Excel under 2 minutes. Today we want to look at the date function where we are given year in one column, month in another column, and day in column J. We just want to put all this in one column where we will have a date, where the date will be in the format of what the PC's date function is set in. What it means is that we will have the day followed by the month and the year. To do that, we will use the date function. So we use the equal sign, date. To pop up, we select it. So we select the year, comma, the month, comma, the day. Then we close our parentheses. Voila. So this gives us the date for this particular box where we have the year, the month, and the day. We can then quickly drag it down, and voila, we have the date for this assignment. This is how smart you can really use the date functions to bring a year, month, and a day together. You can also go to formulas. When you go to formulas, we have date and time. That's where we have also get the function date from there. So where do we have our date? We have our date up here, and you can use it. Thank you very much for following us on this channel, FredExcel. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.